Russell for mining.com.au, and joining me today is the CEO of Inca Minerals, Trevor Benson. Trevor, it is great to speak with you. How are you?
I'm well, thanks, Shae.
Now, I've noticed a change of direction for Inca Minerals, recently announcing the friendly takeover of Stunalara. Tell me, what attracted you to Stunalara's projects?
Yes, Shae. Well, on the 5th of February, we announced the takeover of Stunalara Metals Limited. It's an off-market takeover of a publicly unlisted company that's been in operation and in private hands for some years. We have looked at a lot of projects since the board change back in late last year, and we have decided that Stunalara represents a fantastic opportunity for Inca and Inca shareholders to participate in an exciting exploration project in far north Queensland. Also in the takeover, there is a project in Tasmania, south of Macquarie Harbour. There's about 200 square kilometres, and that area is very prospective for base metals.
Now, I noticed Stunalara's projects in Queensland are in gold. Tell me, why now move into these type of commodities?
Well, Inca historically has projects across Western Australia, Northern Territory, and Queensland. So it's not a huge change of direction. The targets in Northern Territory were deeper IOCG targets. They're expensive to drill. So this opportunity in far north Queensland represents fantastic near surface drilling with potentially epithermal high grade gold and gold associated with antimony. Both these commodities are running very hot at the moment. Gold, everyone will appreciate, and I think there's a growing appreciation for antimony. And since the Chinese have banned export, the demand and the price has skyrocketed. So we're very excited by the potential for these two commodities and exploration success.
Now, the deal isn't quite finalised yet, and obviously, should everything go to plan, what does Inca Minerals' exploration plan look like?
Yes, well, Shae, there is a process, and we've made an off-market takeover of Stunalara Metals Limited. There's a process that goes on in terms of issuing a bidder's statement, and the offer will open on the 25th of February and it will close on the 25th of March. So that's a process that's set, and obviously shareholders have to wait and appreciate that there's a timetable involved in finalising this transaction. We're very confident that we will succeed and that we will take over Stunalara, and that we'll be able to move to the next phase, and that is implementing our exploration program. So we have some very interesting exploration results historically, which are rock chip samples that have been collected historically. Fortunately, this company has been in private hands, and so the shareholders of Stunalara will get access to a listed company and access to capital. And these projects, although they have very high grade gold and very high grade antimony in rock chips and grab samples from on surface, these apart from a 2-meter drill that failed, have never been drilled. So we're very excited to be able to, in the next season, subject to this successful takeover, implement our exploration program.
I love to hear about prospects and tenements that have never been drilled. Excitement awaits. Listen, Trevor, thank you so much for today. I look forward to seeing what you guys pull out of the ground in the coming months. Thank you so much for being here.
Thanks, Shae.